Hey there folks, and welcome back for another video. I'm Chris from iLeather.com, and today we're going to talk about Timeless once again. And I know some of you are probably getting tired of hearing me talking about Timeless, but I can't stop. I just can't stop because this is great stuff. It arrived today. Again, I want to call your attention to the packaging. Excellent. I couldn't resist. I had to have a standard bar or straight bar or safety bar or whatever you want to call it, Timeless. And I'm going to show this to you today. But before I do, I want to let you know I just got off the phone with Matt from Timeless. What a wonderful guy. Humble, answered questions. We shot the breeze a lot. They are really humble, and they couldn't be more pleased with all of you folks who have made purchases recently. And again, I'm not here to sell you a Timeless, all right? You view this material and decide whether it's best for you or not. For me, I love it. Just my opinion, but it's always up to you. You know, $200 or $185, I think they start at, is a lot of money for a razor. So always, you know, do what's best for you and your budget. But I got to tell you, these things have blown me away in quality and the shave, along with charcoal and Wolfman. Those three are sort of the holy trinity of razors for me at this point. They're all great and Timeless. I think what they do with packaging and customer service. Again, I talked to Matt, that they try to get every piece of material from the United States steel. They manufacture the razors themselves. Even the packaging is from the US. The towel that they're experimenting with is from the US. These guys are humble. They are very nice, and it was just a pleasure talking to Matt. And I want to invite you guys to, you know, when you're on Twitter or whatever, if you have an idea, let's say we talked about titanium, for example, and I was like, I think people are going to really love titanium if Timeless makes titanium. So shoot them a tweet and say, hey, yeah, we want to see that titanium, and they'll get an idea of what the demand is, and maybe they'll make it. They just started making razors. I believe they launched in June of last year. Folks, this is their first run. I mean, they're new at this, and they're already at this level. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's stop babbling and start showing you. Once again, I have to call to your attention microfiber cloth, which you can use to wipe off the razor. Of course, your documentation, excellent packaging, top level. And let's pull out the razor and show it to you. You know, I wasn't convinced with this handle whether I would like it or not. I did give one away that Timeless provided, but I said, you know, let's try it. And I got this one is a standard bar, but it's got the scallops both on the base plate, excuse me, and the top. And boy, this is fantastic. As I unscrew it and I look at the machining, I mean, it is top rate, and they're actually working to improve the polishing on the undercap by bead blasting, and they're constantly working to get it even better than it is now, and it's already great. I mean, the complexity of the machine work on this razor, I think, is a lot. I think the level of complexity is pretty high due to the design of their razor and these curves. You see that curve there? That is fantastic. Boy, I mean, it is near flawless, if not flawless. Flawless. Some days I can't speak. I'm not a pro. Matt asked me if I did this for a living. I'm like, no way. I'm an IT guy for a living, but I just do this as a hobby. And anyway, shooting the breeze. The thing that I want to convey is not only do these guys put out a top-rate shaver, and I couldn't be more pleased. This is why I got another one. Look at that. Wow. Wonderful people. In my conversations with them both on the phone a few minutes ago and email has just been so pleasant. And Matt just struck me as being really humble and thankful. And they do other work in their machine shop apart from just razors. So razors they've just recently started doing, and I asked him, hey, have you ever done this before? No, this is our first effort. And I'm like, holy cow. I mean, this design alone, what they've done with it is absolutely fantastic. Again, I like the 95 on the blade gap. Let me give you a closer look at the razor here just so you can sort of see. You know, this is some really marvelous machining and design. And I actually like this handle. It comes together. Also, check out the end, Timeless. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably difficult, but if you can see that, It's really a nice touch. It's got sort of the a circular type thing with the timeless razors initials, and I just think it's fantastic. I've been super pleased with the razor. I know I haven't used this one yet, but I assume it's going to be really, really nice. We shall find out tomorrow because I'll use it, and of course we'll let you guys know. But anyway, Timeless is out there, and as I have been telling people, if you have struggled with getting a Wolfman, or you're just looking for a premium stainless razor, check it out. It's always up to you whether you want to buy or not. I'm not trying to sell it to you. I'm just very happy with my Timeless. All right, so I'm conveying my joy and the level of happiness that I have, or at least I hope it's coming through. And this one is not going to be thrown in the bamboo, folks. I'm telling you, because this right here is fantastic. I want to thank Mr. Lyons and Brian Lynch for turning me on to Timeless. Both guys recommended it highly, and you guys were right. So thank you, Mr. Lyons and Brian Lynch. Really great product. Again, check them out, Timeless Razors. Tweet them. They're on Instagram. Let them know, if you want titanium, you're looking for aluminum. Just give them an idea for what demand is out there. Maybe we'll see some new stuff coming down the pike, because they're certainly not finished just with the stuff they have now. They also, by the way, do make custom handles from time to time. So I'm going to try to get a barber pole in the 85mm. Now, they only do it from time to time, so you can't just call or email and they're gonna drop what they're doing and machine handles. They'll make a run of a certain type of handles that may be custom, but they won't keep them in stock. So they do custom things from time to time. You'll have to ask, and if they're able to do it, they will. I don't want to give the impression that they're going to just do everything custom, because they're not really set up to do that. However, they will entertain it from time to time, so take that into consideration. I want to thank everybody once again for joining me, and if you've appreciated the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, let's help make the entire world shape great once again. Let's do it.